We've been asking questions about e-bikes for months. No one seems to want to answer.
I mean, I'm going to ask the questions I have. I mean, you're welcome to.
We don't need to do this interview.
Before we address this awkward interaction that almost made the interview fall apart, let me tell you how we got here. Since January, Steve on Your Side has been investigating a company called Bear Trail Bikes, a company with a heck of a promise, a free e-bike. Bear Trail told customers all they had to do was pay sales tax on the bike. Then the shop would claim a $500 state tax credit. But we've heard from dozens of people who never got their orders. Then we learned the FBI seized fancy cars and cash from the owner, Takuma Haygood. They haven't charged him with anything. But for months we've wondered how much Colorado tax money this company got. Haygood gave us a hint.
I'll just put it out there. We were able to do $1 million a day in sales on average.
He says Colorado paid him $6 million in tax credits in 2025, a huge number, especially when you consider that in all of 2024, all of the e-bike retailers in the state combined brought in less. But Colorado won't verify Haygood's total number of tax credits received, citing taxpayer privacy laws. We do know that people have been filing complaints about the company with the Colorado Energy Office, the department advertising the credit. They've denied our request on Bear Trail Bikes. Which brings me back to that awkward interaction.
There's very limited information that CEO has and, very little that we could share.
Deputy Director Dominic Gomez and Director Will Torr did agree to sit down and answer some of our questions.
We have certainly heard the complaints.
But they've done more than just hear those complaints. Steve on Your Side found Gomez signed on to a cease and desist letter to Bear Trail Bikes in June, telling the company to stop having its customers contact the state, saying they were, quote, misleading customers and misrepresenting the law. All while the only thing that they will say publicly is
anybody who has ordered a bicycle and not received it, contact the retailer and ask for your bicycle. If they're unwilling to cancel and give you a refund, if it were me, I would certainly talk to my credit card company.
We may be getting very few answers about this, but we're going to keep asking questions because these are your tax dollars. I'm Steve Stager, Steve on Your Side, 9 News.